Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete rows with empty cells in Microsoft Excel. So firstly guys, press Ctrl A. So select all your data or select any specific area of your worksheet. Now press Ctrl G. Now here click on Special. Now select this blanks, then click on OK. You can see all empty cells are selected. Now Ctrl Dash. So you will see this dialog box. Now here select this one entire row, then click on OK. So this way you can delete rows with empty cells in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.